How to fix DNS server not responding errors on Mac or Windows. Tip 1. Try using another web browser or device. Tip 2. Get closer to your internet router. Tip 3. Restart your devices. Tip 4. Change your DNS settings. Tip 5. Flush your DNS cache. Mac. Use sudo dscacheutil. Flushcache, sudo dscacheutil DNS responder commands in terminal. Windows, run these below. Netshare winsock reset netshare in IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushes. Tip 6. Update your network drivers, router, and modem. For Windows users, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Tip 7. Turn off your VPN and firewall. Tip 8. Contact your ISP.